10
Divided
subtract
by-
Z.
Oh.
So Monisha, are we still uncomfortable with it? Why? The difference of 10 to Z. So 10 subtract Z. That's it. Alright, B.
Hold on.
The sum, what happened?
I gotta write it down.
Okay, right. B. The sum of X and 5. What does sum mean? Add. Is Tyreek the only person that know the key words for math operation?
Yeah. No.
I see.
Yeah. Product means multiply.
Ain't nobody get that yet. The sum of X and 5. How would that look? X plus 5. And Nene so graciously told us that the product means multiply. So Javante, how would that look? The product means multiply. I'm doing number R and 15. So I'm multiplying R and 15. How would that look?
Plus.
Oh, okay. Times what? 15. Okay, remember, when you talk about multiplication, it can be written 3 different ways. Parentheses, X, or dot. So those are all 3 ways. Any questions?
Nope.
Anybody uncomfortable? Who said yes? You ain't on the resort, so you better get comfortable. You uncomfortable with product, sum, difference? Which ones you uncomfortable with?
No.
Product. Alright, there's 4 key terms. These are the answers to problems. You got sum, which means to add. You have difference, which means to subtract. You have product, which means the answer to a multiplication problem, and you have quotient, which is the answer to a what? Because that's on my word wall. What is a quotient? The answer to a what?
Division.
You know your mama name is Shane.
Well, since Sheldon told you the answer to a what?
Wait. Say it.
A quotient is the answer to a, thank you, a division problem. All right. Anybody still need what's on the board?
Yes.
All right, hurry up. 30 seconds.
30.
25.
Man.
Don't it?
That's what I say.
20.
Alright.
Still 18.
15.
10.
10.
9.
Be quiet.
5. Y'all make me confused.
5.
Oh,
Be
4.
quiet, Shane.
3.
I'm done.
2.5. 0. 1. Done.
All right.
Shut up, Shane. Okay, Shane.
We're moving on to another sheet. So draw a line to separate your work. All right, everything that's on the board, you need to get in your notes. Or we can do it like this. Let's start from number 1. I'm going to call on somebody, and that's the only person I want to hear from, the person I call on. Tell me what I should write. A, Calvante, what should the answer be? The sum of y and 7 is the same thing as what? Y plus 7. Shania Butcher, the difference of Z and 8 is what? When I write, you should be writing. You have to write the question, but make sure you write down the answers. Z minus 8. And how did you know to do Z minus 8? What was the key word in this problem? Difference. So difference tells us that we're subtraction. All right. C, the product of a number R and 3. Shaheen.
R times 3.
Look at that. You just learned what product was a couple seconds ago. R times 3. Remember, you can write it a whole bunch of ways. If you do parentheses, the dot doesn't matter to me. Shaylin. A, we have 2 plus X. How can I write that in words? So now I have to change
The sum of X. The sum of X and 2.
Wonderful. So 2 plus X. The sum of X and 2. Also, whenever you see addition, you can look at it as increased by. So that's another way that you can look at it. So I can write 2 is increased by what if I'm adding? What am I adding on to that 2?
X.
2 increased by X. Wonderful job. already heard from you, so I'm gonna call somebody else. I'll let you take C, Nene take D. D.
The product,
Huh? You start
the
talking.
quotient of y, x and
The quotient of X and 8. Wonderful job.